Abbas Sajwani, founder and CEO of AHS Properties. Thank you for joining us today at Economy Middle East.
Thank you for having me. It's my pleasure to be here.
You established your company, AHS Properties, in early 2021 at the peak of the pandemic. Public morale at that time was low. Businesses and economies were struggling. How did you get the courage to take this step?
So I think 2021, I saw that Dubai is changing. So after COVID, the way Dubai handled COVID was excellent. No country or no city in the world handled COVID like Dubai handled it. They took strong measures. They went into a lockdown. They opened up back. They opened up in full force. They were one of the only cities in the world open while everyone else was closed. And I saw by doing that and by the way they handled COVID, it brought in a lot of people to Dubai. A lot of people saw how Dubai handles tough situations, how Dubai handles crises. And they were super happy with the results. So I saw that there's people from all around the world, whether it's from Europe, whether it's from Russia, whether it's from India, everyone was coming to Dubai. And I said, with all these people coming, the property market is going to have an impact. It's going to go up in value, as well as I saw that the caliber of people moving in this time were very super wealthy people. And for those people, they need a certain product. And Dubai had a lack of that product.
You're also a board member at Damak. What are some of the learnings that you have brought to AHS?
So everything that I learned is from my father. So from my business style to the way I look at things, the way I take risks, he always taught us a lot. And he always said, when you believe in something, you should do it. Even if there is a risk, you have to take a risk in life.
Tell us about your $850 million Casa Canal project. How is it different from the other property projects in the same area?
So Kasa Canal, we launched it around 1 month ago officially. It's a project on the Dubai Water Canal. So a few aspects of it. First thing is I always say I believe in location, location, location. So the location of Casa Canal is phenomenal. You're on the Dubai Water Canal. You have views of the water canal as well as Burj Khalifa in front of you, while you have views of Safa Park and Burj Al Arab behind you, as well as the sea. So one thing that really makes the project unique is the location. I think it's one of the best location in Dubai. And today with the traffic, the location is central. So you are 7 minutes from downtown. You're 7 minutes from the IFC. You're 5 minutes from the beach. You can go 5 minutes, you're in Four Seasons Beach or Jumeirah Beach. You know, you're 10 minutes away from Burj Al Arab. 10 minutes from Mall of Emirates. So the first thing that defines this project is the location. The location is second to none. Then besides the location, I think there's many other great aspects to it that make it very unique as well. Starting with every single unit has a pool. Every unit has both views of the canal and of the park. So the building has no corridors. You enter from the lift into your apartment and it spans the whole floor from front to back. And then the amenities that we have. So you have a cigar lounge, indoor and outdoor pool, one full floor dedicated for a spa. It's around the 10,000 square foot spa, from sauna, steam, massage rooms to a haircut salon to a ice room to your relaxation lounge. It's like you're in a 6-star spa that's only available for the residences. Then you have your own Omosaki Japanese restaurant in the building just for the residences. You have a bakery. You have meeting rooms. So the amenities in the project really make it very unique, as well as the location, as I mentioned, as well as the apartments in particular, and the features the apartments hold. So for example, the smallest unit we have is around 4,500 square foot. So they're large units. They have the pools. They're full glass. They have great ceiling heights. So I think this project is very unique in not just one aspect, but in every aspect. From its location to its amenities to its design, designed by Sean Keller, exterior-wise, interiors by HBA in collaboration with Fendi Casa. So we've brought in very, very good names, and I think the project has, in every factor, it's unique.
And it's impressive that 80% of the project was sold out shortly after its launch. What kind of profit is the company looking at after deliveries?
See, we're a private company. Our profits are not revealed in the market, but having sold 80% was a great achievement, and I think it just shows how unique the project is. that only 1 month after launch, we're already 80% sold out.
And which other projects does AHS have in its pipeline?
So we will definitely have new projects coming up soon. What I can say is we're gonna focus on the super ultra luxury sector, and we will focus on A+ locations. We will not change our focus to other products or not as good locations. We'll stick to the best location and the best product, aiming for the super luxury market.
You founded the parent company, the AHS Group, when you were only 18 years old. How has running this company shaped you as an individual? Did you always want to set up your own company?
So from a young age, I always wanted to do something on my own. That's why I set up AHS Group back in 2017. Again, in the beginning, you learn a lot. So I think I learned a lot from my first ventures, and that helped me today, in my property business, because every time you start something, every time you learn, you make a mistake, you learn from it, and then you can do better.
And talking about mistakes, what advice would you give to others who want to step into entrepreneurship?
I think you should start, and even if you don't do well the first year or the first 2 years, it's a learning curve. You will learn, you will make mistakes, you will make as long as you fix the mistakes after you make them, I think that's what's most important. But I think if someone wants to start, I think they should do it, and they should not be scared.
Good. And just before we end our conversation, how do you choose your team and their skills, especially that they have to deal with high net worth individuals? Should you be present at every client's meeting?
No, we have a great team, and we trust the team in dealing with our clients, dealing with the contractors. So we pick the team based on previous experience, but most importantly based on their personality as well. How they're able to deal with people, how they're able to speak with people, how they're able to represent the company. That's how we look at picking our team. I think we have a great team, and they can manage today I don't need to sit with every client. I don't need to sit with the contractors. The team can manage, and they're doing a phenomenal job.